Good morning, students. In previous class, you learned sensitivity towards other. I hope you must have remembered the previous exercises. Today, I am going to start chapter 5, that is community services. Let's proceed ahead. As you all know, human beings are called social animals. It is because we live in society and we all are directly or indirectly dependent on others for the fulfillment of our needs. So, all human beings live together in the company of their fellow beings in villages, towns, or cities. The members of a community live in harmony and work for the benefit of one another. They also provide support to each other in times of emergency. Community living helps in building a peaceful society. Which things help in building a peaceful society? Answer is community living help in building a peaceful society. After that, we will know what is community service. Community service is the help or assistance that benefits the community. Important meaning assisting. It means to help or to support. Again I repeat, what is community service? Community service is the help or assistance that benefits the community. Now, one question arises, which types of help they do? It may be assisting the elderly, participating in neighbor watch program. It may be beautification of the locality like cleanliness, plantation of tree, maintaining of drainage. What is neighborhood watch program? Neighborhood watch program is a wonderful way of crime prevention and ensuring safety of residents, especially the elderly members and children. You have already learned about in chapter 3. Many people, they do not have time. They contribute their services by donating money, and others, they have time and want to provide their services. They offer their services to the society. Do you know why they do the work for the society? I have already explained to you that human beings are called the social animals. So, it is because it gives them pleasure and satisfactions. Students, it is correct that community service is good and beneficial for the society. But some people give money and food to beggar. This is not a good practice. It is a social evil and we should not promote it. Rather, we should motivate them, train them and help them to something so that they can earn money and live a respected life. They should be motivated to do work to earn the money like making choir fans, toys, paper bags, making candles, making matchbox, earthen toys, selling flowers, etc. So, we should stop to give the money to beggar and motivate them to do work. Now, we will discuss community services in olden times. Community service has always been an important part of Indian history and culture. People helped the poor with money, clothes, food, shelter, or looked after. In earlier times, the kings, emperors took up many projects for the benefit of the common people, like helping the travelers, planting trees, digging wells. Which types of services provided by kings and emperors in olden times? Kings and emperors took up many projects for the benefits of the common people, like helping the travelers, planting trees, digging wells, etc. First, we will know who were travelers in ancient time. In ancient times, most travelers were pilgrims, messengers, soldiers, or merchants. Important words: messengers. Messengers were carrying messages of king to other nearby towns or villages. And soldiers, you all know, it means armies. And merchants, merchants were traders. And who were pilgrims? Pilgrims were the traveler who visit famous temples like Vaishno Devi, Amarnath, etc. Now we will discuss facilities that are provided by the kings and emperors in ancient times. First point is comfort of travelers. In ancient times, travelers had to face many hardships on their journey, as there were no shelters, roads, means of transport, or arrangement of food or water like present time. In present time, we travel much comfort, as we get good metallic roads, restaurants, dhaba, etc. in the roadside. However, in earlier time, travelers had to face many problems. The king constructed dharmsalas or sarais. It is also called rest house for their comfort. They provide shelters and safety from rough weather and wild animals. Do you know Dohara Sarai, 20 kilometers from the Ludhiana, is situated at Grand Trunk Road. It was built by Sher Shah Suri for travelers. Now I am going to recapitulate today's topic. You learned what is community service. Community service is the help or assistance that benefits the community. After that, you learned how the people contribute in the community services. People used to contribute to the community service programs by donating money or their services. And after that, you learned why they provide the community services. They provide the community services because it gives them pleasure and satisfaction. After that, you learned that the community services in olden times, and in this you learned about the who were travelers in ancient times. In olden times, most travelers were pilgrims, messengers, soldiers, or merchants. Today's home assignment: you have to write these question answer in notebook. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.